We are a people-first organisation, believing people should be at the heart of change. Inclusivity and respect are important to us as a company and is key in the workplace to bring out the best in people. This shines through in our business change approach. Starting with an assessment, this allows us to understand the goals you and your company wish to achieve, raise any concerns they have so we can plan ahead, and highlight the positives this change can bring. We then go and review all this information and create virtual training, coming up with relatable real-life scenarios to work through. This helps us create a business change plan that is tailored to suit you. Next, it's important for us to build a champion network within the company. This is about finding people who are proactive and willing to help their colleagues through change. Highly influential individuals who can make those big decisions and pass on the information for us. It's vital we have these champions on our side. We understand this and work hard to make sure these people understand the benefits of the change. Streamline technology leading to the reduction of time wasting and more productivity. Communication is key throughout this entire process. Change can sometimes be scary, but it doesn't have to be. We make sure all our clients feel supported throughout the process, even after the change, following up with post-migration reports and surveys to constantly improve our service and make sure users don't feel abandoned. Our team of business change experts are here to help you achieve the changes you want to see. With just over a decade of experience in multiple sectors, including public, private, retail and banking, this gives us a better understanding of how to tailor our approach to suit the industry you are in. We want to help you streamline your technology today. Request a free half-day change assessment workshop with us by visiting our website. For more tips on business change, follow the link and download Hannah Payton-Brown ebook, People Are Not Resistant to Change, bringing people-first change management to you.